Hello, my scholars, and welcome back to Music with Coach Miller. Over the next few weeks, we are going to be writing a song about cooking. Our songs are going to contain words and rhythms and a melody. Today, we're going to brainstorm different things we can cook in the house and what ingredients we might need for those meals. As we brainstorm foods for our meals, think about whether quarter note would eat these foods or whether the eighth note twins would eat these foods. Remember that quarter note eats foods with one syllable, one, and the eighth notes eat foods with two syllables, like taco. Quarter might like to eat cake. I'm going to help you brainstorm a few ideas for your meals, but I want you to think of more on your own. I'm going to start with fruit salad. In a fruit salad, I might need some grapes. Grapes. Would quarter note eat grapes, or would the eighth notes eat grapes? It's quarter. I'm gonna draw some grapes on quarter side. Grapes. Next, I would like to put some apples in my fruit salad. Apples. The eighth notes would eat apples. I'm going to think of one more item for each note, and then I'm going to move on to a new meal. For quarter, I'm going to draw a pear. And for the eighth notes, I'm going to draw a cherry. All right, moving right along, I think I might like to make some tacos next. The word tacos would fit in the eighth note category. Tacos. In tacos, I am going to need some shells. Shells goes with quarter note. Shells. On my tacos, I might use some lettuce. Lettuce. Which one do you think? Over here. Lettuce. If you're not a good drawer, it's okay. I don't draw very well. Here's my lettuce. I'm gonna label it so we're not confused. I think I might like some chicken for my tacos. Chicken. Once again, the eighth notes eat chicken. Chicken. Let's think of one more item for quarter note to eat on tacos, like beef. Beef. I don't know how to draw beef. I think I'm just gonna do a bunch of dots for ground beef. Now, if you're in 2nd through 5th grade, then I need you to look at the word beef and notice that there are two E's. Beef. Remember that mommy note, the half note, I'll draw it here in parentheses. She eats foods with two E's or two O's because she's worth 2 beets. But if you're in kindergarten or 1st grade, don't worry about that right now. If you are in 2nd through 5th grade, so that's 2, 3, 4, and 5, then see the end of the video for extra notes that you can use. But if you don't want to use extra notes, you can just stick with quarter note and the eighth notes. One more thing you might like to cook would be cake. Cake. Quarter note loves cake. On a cake, we might use frosting or icing. Or we could use sprinkles. Inside a cake, we use eggs. Eggs. All right, and so on and so forth. So I want you to brainstorm some ingredients that you will use for your own meal. Split them up into quarter notes and eighth notes, and then next week we are going to put all of these ingredients together in our awesome cooking song. Thank you so much for watching. Second, third, fourth, and fifth grade. You know that quarter note is worth one beat and that the eighth note twins are worth one beat when they're together. Now, you've also learned about mommy half note, and she is worth 2 beats. Remember that she eats foods with one syllable that have 2 E's or 2 O's in the middle, like cheese or goose. Now, if you want an extra challenge, you can throw in some 16th notes. These are the quadruplets. They are still one beat when they're all together, but these words will have 4 syllables. For instance, you might want to drink some watermelon soda and put that in your song. So the word watermelon has 4 syllables. The quadruplets would love to eat some watermelon. Or maybe some avocado or pepperoni. Here's one more look at my paper to clear up any confusion. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and happy food sorting!